So, for a while now, I've been wanting to have a U.S. World War II uniform. Over 2 years, I think. It was around this time in 2019. So, I've been slowly acquiring items, and last week, I had one more item to buy: the helmet. And so I bought it. That just came today. So, along with the helmet, there was also a belt, a first aid kit, and a canteen. I'm going to use the canteen in an upcoming short movie about World War II, but the rest I am going to put up on eBay. Now, put all the links in the description. Also, my drawing of the World War One is up on eBay. I'll put a link in the description to the video about that. So you guys can check it out and maybe buy it. So I voiced over that last part, but I wanted a live reaction to the helmet and I think the canteen inside of it. There's the canteen. So the audio, I have my microphone back on. This is an M1 World War II helmet, not original from, at least it's an M1 helmet from, I think, the 1970s, same model as the one used in World War II. And this completes my World War II uniform. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.